The part of data center that most people think is a box, right? But the design of the data center evolves so much. The schedule is insane compared to some other projects. My name is Yuhan, Senior VDC Manager, overseeing VDC operation in NORPAC. We're doing a lot of earthwork throughout the year. Really be able to see and what is actually happening on the job site. I really rely on DroneDeploy quite a bit from day one to tracking everything, the progress every week. When we're talking about different issues, I can just hop on the DroneDeploy and just look at the ground or from the whole site.
Everything changes weekly. One day we could be up here with chillers. Next thing you know, it's barricaded off. So every single week it changes. So the way documentation helps me out is almost just like painting a picture, right? If you didn't record it, how do I know it happened? The way you're recording things and how it's helped me in a 360, it has helped me tremendous. If someone knows how to objectively look at something, they can translate exactly what they're looking and then show it to you as well.
Communication, it's key. And then sitting down and having these meetings, daily, the sub meetings, sitting with all the other subs, and then high-level planning. I think the high-level planning through pre-con, executing through the process of the schedule through those 6 weeks is really important. So I think the collaboration is really important.